Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing today? Lovely. Well, we're going to take another look here, go over a couple things. It's going to be really fast, so try to keep up. And on this one, as you can see, the light is going down and under, and everything on the left there is staying kind of in the shadow. See all those clouds up on the top there? As the sun finally comes up, it'll illuminate them for a little bit, but almost immediately, as you can see, they all just drop back into shadow up there as the sun goes up and behind the planet and gives us some dark sky. All right, next location. As you can see on the left there, see the dark area? That's where and the little tiny rounder area, I would assume, is probably one of its moons, but as you can see, it's still dark. Clouds are going the wrong direction. Nope, now they're lit up as the sun gets low enough to illuminate them. Like I said, fast, fast, fast. All right, this is facing east at sunset. I thought this was very interesting. As you can see, the sun is over there on the far left. It's reflecting over there. You can see it. And got that dark area on the right. Look at that. Don't you just love to see that in the east at sunset? Let's take another look, shall we? Look at that, two different colors. Reflecting light, dark side. See how the light's just wrapping around that area? See, now it's facially illuminating on something round. You can tell by it the way it rolled up. There it is there. Big and red. And here's another sunset. As you can see, the sun seems kind of pinched in there as the light is being wrapped around in rounded areas. And you got a little sundog off to the right. You got that round shadow on the left. And the big one on the right. And it's really, really green. Okay, again, sunrise. See how the light is going down and under? Really pressing down there. Look how dark it is up top. Definite shadow line. As the sun gets higher, you'll see that instead of getting lighter blue, it's fluctuating as the light goes back and forth around the side there of the planet. And again, we're looking at dark blue. Now let's see sunset. See how the light's going all the way around the thing? So when the sun sets and there's still light coming from above, pushing through the clouds, that's a very good indication there is something up there, especially when it's the last thing to light, get dark. And as you can see on this one, we're already seeing cast shadows and the light bending around something. I mean, we don't normally see shadows in the day or light being forced down and under something or around the edge of something, as we can see there. Even on the blue sky above, it's reflecting light, which says it's not just blue sky up there. There's something up there blocking light. Now it's going to streak across the bottom of it. See how it's going all the way across? Yep, all the way to the camera. Got to be something there. Alright, over to the volcano. Now, I don't know if you've noticed the last few weeks or so, I mean, pretty much, look at those cast shadows. Those are shadows. Over the last few weeks, look at that big old shadow over there. Sun's not even hitting the lens and it's dark. Wow. I mean, come on, if that don't tell you something's there, what will? The fact that it gets brighter after the sun goes down? Wow, look how long the light stayed up there. That's a lot. This is a new camera that they put up, so I figured I'd take advantage of it. As you can see, there's things up way up behind the clouds reflecting light. And there's another interesting little spike of red light coming out there. I've noticed it on another camera, so I went ahead and recorded it and added it to the video as well. You'll see the same thing happen, different location. Look at all that light. That is all along the bottom of something. And here comes that weird light. Woo! That's showing you that the light's being pinched before it ever gets to us. And over to Cabo San Lucas. As you can see, the sun's going to go down off the right side of the screen. All that light behind the clouds, and then as soon as the clouds are gone, it gets really, really dark. But as you can see, the light is still coming out and around the side of that. It's really green. Here's a morning shot from Santa Fe. See, when there's enough clouds up there and there's something else up there, the light likes to flicker along it. But as soon as the clouds disappear, that area gets really dark. And now the sun is up out of the camera's way, and look at the sky. Look how weird it is. I mean, that's just weird. But as you can see, it is casting shadows everywhere up there. And you don't even need the sun hitting the lens. Now here's sunset facing east at sunset. The sun is at our back. As you can see, the light is still skimming across the top of the sky. On the blue sky, lots of reflecting light. Now, if there wasn't something there, it wouldn't be reflecting light. I mean, I'm old enough to remember what the sky used to look like. Look at that big blue ball over there. Yeah. All right, sunrise from the auditorium. Look at all that reflecting light behind the clouds. Now look at the light go all the way across the bottom. And it's still illuminating something behind there. But as the sun goes up, it's going to get darker over there because casting shadows and whatnot, as you can see. All right, now let's take a look at sunset. And this will be the last bit of footage for the day. As you can see, I mean, on the left, it's really, really dark. On the right, it looks like the sun is going behind something, because we got a cast shadow and a whole lot of light pinching in between and underneath everything. The sun, remember, does go down on the far, far right, off the screen almost. And now that the clouds are back, everything brightens up there, as you can see. Also, we can see how the sunshine is reflecting off that one planet that's stuck in the middle there. That's why it's really bright over there. And all the light is being really pushed over to the left. See that? All right, well, thanks for watching. Please share. Don't forget to subscribe, and you guys have a great day.